everybody, my name is Dan from Triangle X, and welcome to the third episode of Pong Tennis. What? No. Okay, so in this video we're gonna actually make the little sucker, this little sucker move up and down. I know, exciting, right? So first of all, it's pretty simple. We're only gonna change, if I'm not mistaken, the player class, and we're gonna make a new class. So let's make a new class. It's gonna be called Key Bind. Okay, very nice, very much nice. Sorry, I just had a lot of coffee. Public int. Coding will probably make this look. Key code. We're gonna need a key code, the aka key ID. Yeah. So next we're gonna need a public. We're gonna not need. That's nice. String description. Yes. And finally we're gonna need a public boolean list, actually, of key states. Okay, now let's start. Let's make our constructor. Yeah, public key bind. Gonna take in an int key code and string. I'm not typing this again. Okay, now this dot key code equals key code, this dot descriptions equals description, and this dot key state equal to a new boolean list with 256 with booleans, because these are the amount of keys on the average keyboard, at least. So now when we have to construct it on, so let's make a private method. Okay, boolean, gonna be a boolean, and its job is gonna be a check. Okay, yeah, it's gonna take an int I and no ifs. If keyboard dot is keyboard is a class from LWJGL, I think, pretty sure. Yeah, LWJGL dot input dot keyboard. Sorry. Okay, that is key down I does not equal to this dot key state I then return this dot. It's not gonna make a lot of sense, but I'm gonna type it now, just saying. Key state I does not equal to this dot key state. You know, no sense, but works, so fuck. Else return false. Okay, fantastic. This is the check key method done. Now we're gonna have a public boolean is key down, and it's very simple. Just return keyboard dot is key down with this dot key code. Okay, and the final method in this class, it's gonna be a public boolean is key pressed okay, and just return this dot check key with this dot key code. Okay, now we have the keybind class done forever. Let's start handling our very nice little player dude. Oh my god. Alright, so let's create two variables. Gonna have public keybind, and it's gonna be key up, comma, just put two in one line, key down. Okay, now in our constructor, just initialize them to this dot key up. We're gonna set it to the key we want it to be here, so it's gonna be a new keybind with keyboard dot key underscore, let's say for up W, and the description is gonna be very simple, up. I know, right? Okay, now this about the same for key down. No, this dot key down is equal, just proceed, Control V, changes from W to S, and up down. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. Let's do it. Okay. Now in our handle input method, we're gonna set this dot motion x equals 0, this dot motion y equals 0, and if this dot key up dot is key down, then this dot motion y is equal to negative this dot speed. Okay, and if this dot key down dot is key down, then this dot motion y is gonna be equal to this dot speed. Okay, so now we have our handle input. Now we handle our inputs. Let's just now handle move. So okay, so override and move, and public void move, and it's gonna take, alright, forgot. Now let's get to entity. Sorry, it's gonna take in tennis. Let's just add tennis. I forgot about it. So it's gonna take in a tennis, sorry. Gonna have float, an x and a float, y. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, almost done. Almost done. If this dot pos y is smaller than 0, and by the way, this is just I'll explain it later. No, what we're gonna write here is just super dot move tennis x. Now for now, of course, it's the only thing we're gonna write. Now don't think I need to change anything else. Yeah, okay. So as you can see, the frame moves, but there is still a problem. If you just hold W, yeah, is out of here. No, I can't press down S. I mean, it will eventually irrigate. Here it is. So, but I don't want it to happen. So, because it can suck really, and the ball might do it again. It might do it also. So, okay. If this dot pos y smaller than 0 and this dot motion y smaller than 0, then return. If now we're gonna have more ifs. Oh, sorry. This dot pos y plus this dot height are bigger than tennis dot display height, and this dot motion y is bigger than 0, then sorry. So now, if we try it again, the little fell doesn't go anywhere. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I really hope you learned. And once again, this is the same day as the last tutorial actually. I'm gonna have to number 4. Follow me on Twitter. I'll leave it linked down in the description. Plus down in the description you will find the full code for all the episodes. Yeah, okay. It's gonna be on GitHub. Yeah. So anyway, I hope you learned it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Let it go.